Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the PROMISE 2-pack quad torch lighters. So in this video, we're going to go over the packaging and the design, then the performance, and finally my overall thoughts. So let's get straight into the packaging. It comes in just a plain white box, and then in the plain white box we have two smaller boxes, which are the two lighters, because obviously, like I said, it's the 2-pack. Now the price on this 2-pack honest torch lighters were actually pretty cheap. So I believe I paid about $18 for both of these, so it pretty much came out to $9 a lighter. So it's definitely not a bad price. So if you guys want to check out these lighters at any point of the video, I will be leaving a link in the description if you want to check it out yourself. But let's just get straight into it. So what we get is pretty much a little how-to paper, and then it just comes packaged in a little sleeve. The how-to paper also, so it's very simple packaging. And there we go. So that's one lighter, the red one, and then the blue one we got right here. So overall, the packaging isn't bad. It's not the best packaging, but it's definitely not bad. Definitely did a good job protecting the lighters. They came very nice. They came non-scratched. So that's, I guess, pretty much what really matters when it comes to buying some new lighters. Overall, I'm very impressed by the quality, by the size. It's actually exactly what I wanted. So I did already open these lighters and fill them up. So I went ahead and got the red and the blue colorway. So they do have two more colorways. So if you wanted, you can buy the other pack, which comes with a copper and black, and a black with red, with the red fuel window. And I mean, overall, they look like really good lighters. So these lighters actually come with a little bit of plastic in the middle part of the lighter, but it's definitely not a bad thing because it keeps the lighter very light. If the whole lighter was metal, it would definitely weigh down the lighter a lot more. So having this plastic grip section really complements the small size of the lighter. You know, we have metal in all the important parts, which is the top. So both ignition buttons are metal, and then we also have a hole punch on the back, which you can use. Overall, it's a very simple build. It's a very small torch lighter, and I'm just going to be showing you. You know, they definitely always work. So very good lighters. I highly recommend anybody looking for some small portable lighters. It does have a hole punch in the bottom, so you don't have to have a cigar cutter. Overall, it's a very simple torch lighter. You know, there's really nothing to it. It's very nice kind of metallic red for this one, and then a very nice metallic blue. Everything that has to be metal is metal. So we have the metal cap, we have the metal ignition button, metal bottom, and then I like how they added the plastic, the stippled plastic, because it just brought the weight of the lighter down a lot. So it just makes it even better for quick carries. If you put this in your pocket, you definitely won't notice it because it is pretty light. It is pretty, you know what I mean? You can definitely just grab it, take it with you. It does have a cigar holder on the top, so I mean, it just has everything you pretty much need. Overall, they're really good lighters. I'm actually thinking about buying the other two just because they're so good, so consistent. And overall, I give these lighters a 5 out of 5. In performance, I give them a 5 out of 5. Overall, I love the metallic, I love the weight, I love the size, the portable nature of them, and even the price is a very reasonable price for what you're getting. Two very consistent lighters. So if you are interested in these lighters, I will be putting a link in the description below so you guys can check them out yourselves.